Oh no! A big, grouchy cloud is stealing all the town's colors. Only magical glowing slime can bring the colors back. Can Lily discover her special magic in time to save the day? Meet real-life Lily, an adventurous gymnastics star. She loves flips, cartwheels, and stretchy, gooey, sparkly slime. One sunny afternoon, Lily found slime glowing with magic sparkles. It shimmered with kindness and smelled sweeter than birthday cupcakes. Lily saw her friend Sam sad. His favorite red ball popped. "I can help," she said, fixing Sam's ball with magical slime. "You saved the day," cheered Sam, smiling bigger than ever. Suddenly, the grouchy cloud returned, gobbling colors from everywhere. Flowers drooped, smiles faded, and laughter stopped. Everyone felt sad. "My magical slime can save our town," Lily bravely declared. "Quick! Wiggle your fingers to charge Lily's slime with kindness." She flipped and twirled gracefully, launching slime high into the sky. Sparkly kindness rained down, touching the grouchy cloud softly. The cloud giggled, bursting with colors brighter than ever before. Laughter exploded! Everyone cheered for Lily's amazing kindness magic. Tell me, what special magic do you have to spread kindness?
Your turn.
Jerry! Help me make kind!
What's next for Lily? Gymnastics slime adventures? Magical slime mysteries?